Hello guys, welcome back to class. We finished yesterday with the integumentary system. Today we will start a new system. This is a system you've probably learned about a little bit before. It is the circulatory system. Many organisms are a single cell. Life is quite simple for these organisms. They are always in contact with the outside world. They are only one cell, so that all the cells are in contact with the outside world. They can just use active transport and diffusion to get nutrients and to get rid of wastes. Life is simple. But the human body is multicellular. It has many cells. This is a problem. Why is it a problem? Well, many of the cells are not in contact with the outside world. So how do those cells get their nutrients and get rid of waste? The answer is the circulatory system. The circulatory system carries oxygen, nutrients, and other things around the body. It also gets rid of wastes. We're going to go through the parts of the circulatory system. We have the heart, blood vessels, and blood. Today we will do mainly the heart and a little bit about the blood vessels. The heart. The heart is mostly made of layers of really strong muscle called myocardium. Myo means muscle, cardium means heart. Simply heart muscle. Your heart starts beating before you're born and only stops when you die. What does the heart do? It pumps blood around the body. It keeps oxygen-rich blood and oxygen-poor blood separate. How does it do this? Here we have the structure of a heart. It is about the size of your fist. It has 4 chambers. We have the right and left atrium. Blood enters the heart in the atria. Notice atrium is singular, atria plural. Notice in the diagram that left atrium is on the right side of the diagram. You must imagine this heart belongs to a person looking at you. It is their left atrium. We also have the right and left ventricles. Ventricles pump blood out of the heart. The blood vessels of the heart. Blood enters the left atrium from the lungs by pulmonary veins. Pulmonary means the lungs. Blood enters the right atrium from the body by the vena cava. How does the blood leave the heart? So we know that the pulmonary veins and the vena cava bring blood to the heart. Blood leaves the left ventricle to the body by the aorta. The aorta is the biggest blood vessel in the body. Blood leaves the right ventricle to the lungs by the pulmonary artery. Pulmonary means lungs. Now we're going to go through blood flow through the heart. Here we have another similar picture of the heart. Oxygen-poor blood enters the heart through the right atrium. Oxygen-poor blood we will write with a blue arrow. Oxygen-rich blood enters the heart from the lungs through the left atrium. We will represent oxygen-rich blood with a red arrow. The blood moves from the atria into the ventricles. Valves, shown in yellow circles here, stop the blood flowing backwards. Finally, the ventricles pump the blood out of the heart. Okay guys, so that's our first little piece on the heart and its structure. Next time we will talk about blood supply, circulation, heartbeat, blood vessels and blood pressure. Okay guys, look for the questions that I'm going to send you for homework and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.